We don't have a clear picture. This world is a wonder rather than something made of how. The how or cause and effect is a wonder. Actually, we know our mind only. We don't know a universe. The universe we feel has a backbone on space and time. Matter which has different qualities which we know through our mind. The universe which we feel on our mind, we consider that it exists outside our mind also. We consider that space and time exist outside our mind. We consider that the matter which says about the many qualities and sensations exist outside our mind. We or our mind exist inside the matter which exists on space and time. When that matter which contains us moves, we feel that we move. What if we can't see that we are moving? Then also we are moving. We can feel our wheel on our mind that we are moving. If we don't feel that we are moving, are we moving? For example, if we are walking on sleep, when we are walking on sleep, we are walking on our mind, but our consciousness does not know that. We will be unconscious of that. Here we are calling mind the universe. Why do we need why do we need a mind and a universe? Why can't we call the universe mind and vice versa? It is because we feel that the mind is unreal and universe is real. Mind is unreal, but it stands for a real thing called universe. We think that mind is like a language. Mind stands for the universe, but mind itself is unreal. We actually know our mind only. We don't know the universe, but we say that there exists a bigger mind called universe. This bigger mind or universe is common for all persons. If we do anything on our mind which is different from for different which is different for each of us, it has an effect on other person's mind also. It is said here that we are doing something on our mind because we know our mind only. How does it affect others if we do something on our mind? Example for doing something on our mind is hitting another person. If we do something on our mind, how does it affect our mind itself? When we alter brain, we explain this by saying that there is a universe which is common for all, which contains space, time, and matter, which say about the qualities in our mind. There is a universe outside our mind. How are we making contact with that? We say that there is a light ray which go here and there and work as messenger. This light ray talks with the nerve cells with their frequency and wavelength, studying different colors and shape they touch. So wavelength is a language. Language means that which stands for something else. Our brain stands for our mind. The whole process of computer gets meaning because of observance of human mind. Mind is like the screen of the computer. While watching the film, we can fast forward the scenes of the film by moving the scroll bar inside the computer screen. By moving the scroll bar, we get the scenes of the film which comes at different times. The brain exists on the mind. If mind does not know the will brain if mind does not know, the brain will not have any meaning. If we can know how the mind is made by brain with the help of our mind, shown in our mind, it will be like the same qualities, means qualities in brain which is seen to produce mind, making the same qualities from nothingness or the other form of its existence, from nothing or the other form of its existence, and showing in mind. If we are going to believe that we see the brain as it exists, we see the brain as it exists in the universe, we have to say that brain is showing itself in mind. If we are going to believe that we see the brain as it exists in the universe, we have to say that brain is showing itself in mind. How does brain show? How it produces mind in the mind? The explanation now given by science is not satisfactory. Does there exist something beyond space and time which is producing mind and showing in mind, as brain is producer of mind, or we are the body? Feeling and concepts like yes and no exist on that world. Is space and time just a place which is shown by mind for the cause of life? If we are energy, we will not get destroyed because energy cannot be destroyed. If there is nobody to observe a computer has no meaning. We believe that different souls or mind exist on space and interact with each other. What is the mind which exists on space and time? Mind existing on space and time means mind existing on it, because space and time exist on mind. We know space and time in mind. What if the space and time exist outside the mind also?